Hey, we finna play some freeze tag. I'm hiding for them. They ain't gonna find me. See? See? Wait, we gotta hide right here. You wanna see? See? What the heck? They just growing. Never ran, see? What? And this girl just was right there. What the heck? Hey, what's gonna be base? What the heck? Bro, nobody even give me it. Hey, the playground equipment is base. One, two, three, base all over me. Base all over me.
I'm tired. I don't want to play.
Oh, she tired, man. She tired.
Don't record
She
me.
tired. Oh, this is going to YouTube.
What? You just recording on YouTube?
No, I recorded all of y'all.
My hair's flowing.
1, 2, 3. Nope. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
What happened, Isaiah? What happened to Isaiah?
Oh, yeah. And so, guys, if you subscribe to this channel, I will give you a free fidget spinner. Free. Absolutely free. Absolutely free. All you gotta do is subscribe, turn on notifications, like, and leave a comment. Fidget spinners, and that'll give you entered into this free fidget spinner contest. Okay. All right. So do all those lists.
Hello?
Don't watch his channel.
Don't watch his channel.
Nope. Don't listen to her. I will give you this for free.